posterity. I'm ready. I have a stopwatch.
What stopwatch?
Ron Weber claims to be the world's fastest spam eater.
I'm just trying to break the record.
Alright, so you're saying...
Try and break the record. Ready?
Alright, say when.
Go.
How's it taste? Is beer loud?
Yeah, it's nothing to watch. It's like I'll tell you right now, it's
You're not doing so good. It's 27 seconds now. You only have 2 more minutes to eat the whole cube, dude.
I'll tell you right now, it's I don't think I can do it.
You can do it. Come on. Seconds now. Give minutes and 30 seconds. Come on, dude. Are you giving up? You still got another minute left.
Two and a half minutes. Eat a piece of it. It's too soft to hit it.
That's that hickory smoked one?
That would be hard to do. Anybody got a chance?
Do something stupid in any minute now.